Happy 4th of July, everyone. I want to give you a little quick video and show you how much the kittens are growing and playing with Tristan, of course. Say hi, Tristan.
Hi, happy 4th of July.
There you go. So we got a couple new additions to the family here. Back there are black and white.
His name is Cash.
Yeah.
And this here is Aura. And this here, what's her name, Tristan? Reva. Sorry, I forgot.
Old age, it creeps up on you.
And that's Kalia. She's a big girl.
Yep, she's our lifer.
Yep, she's here forever. We got Zam and Ahsoka. Lily. Oh my goodness, Lily. And Gucci's not really going to play, I don't think. Oh, look at her. Oh, yeah. She's like due any day, so I didn't think she was going to play.
There's Willow.
That's Willow. Crazy kitties.
Come on, get it.
Oh. No, not the dog.
He's getting used to dogs, and good old Domino, she's a big one. Big Doberman.
She gonna play?
Get it, Reva.
Come on, Reva. Oh, there you go, Reva.
She wants to.
Tristan is our cat whisperer here.
Yep.
See, how are you gonna make her all mad?
Oh, sorry, buddy. Get him.
Get it, Cash. Well, everyone.
What about our babies over here? Sorry.
Here
Look what
are
they're
some
doing.
sleepy babies and some playful babies.
Look at all of them.
Look over here.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, there's Gwen. Gwen?
Seriously?
Dead.
Oh, that's awesome. Nothing.
And then we got the two little boys down here, or little boys.
Boys.
We got Mickey and Celine.
Mickey.
Not little boy. She's a girl.
What up, Goofy?
You guys crazy? All right. Well, you guys have a happy 4th of July. And we shall see you.
On our next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.